Okay, today we'll be opening up this used Hastings oil filter, number LF524. And a viewer whose name is Clyde from New Mexico sent me this oil filter. Thanks, Clyde. This filter was in service for 4,300 miles and came off of his 2008 GMC 2500. Yep, the one with a 6.6 liter Duramax engine. And the oil Clyde was using is a Mobil Delavac 1300 1540 Synblend oil. So let's get started.
This is a pour. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration, and here.
Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. The date code 081020070004. We'll go over here and we'll see Made in USA. This is all printed on. Some instructions. Okay, nitro rubber gasket. Put this aside for now. Okay, this filter has 5 inlet holes. Looks to be a nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. Metal core with louvers. Bypass valve down below. And about 3 grooves there. The threads. Okay, and pretty big filter. Alright, let's open this filter up. Ooh, look at that nice oil. Okay, let's get this little spacer, plastic spacer. Put this to the side here. Oh, look at the anti-drain back valve. Gotta clean it up, but it looks to be okay. Okay, the filter element. Metal end caps. And I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. Got a glued seam right here. So get this up close. And the oil looks pretty dark. I don't see no tears or anything. Pleats are pretty nicely spaced. And what I could find out about this filter is it filters down to particles as small as 20 microns. It's a cellulose media. Bypass valve right here has a setting of 15 psi, and this comes off. It comes out actually. There it is. There you go. Yeah, this bypass valve is kind of cool. Like I said, 15 psi. And I don't see any excess glue or anything. It looks clean. Okay, and we got inside, we got the coil spring. Looks good. And like I said, the oil looks pretty dark. Yeah, Clyde told me why it looks dark. It's his engine goes in I'll put it up on the screen anyways. But yeah, he says it's kind of rough on oil. But yeah, it does look pretty dark. I'm gonna put it like this, let it drain, see what it looks like. Alright, let's get some measurements. Actually, I want to get the measurement at can too, so. Yeah, I think it's somewhere around here, about 0.447. Yeah, it feels okay. Now let's get the width on this filter element. And this filter is pretty wide, 3.67 inches wide. Okay, let's cut this filter open, squeeze it out, stretch it out, and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so here's the filter media stretched out way over my table, and that's because this filter media is 91 inches long. A lot of filter media. Okay, let's get the thickness on this filter media. 0.84 millimeters thick. Not too bad. Here's the front side, the back side. It's pretty dirty. You'll see this under the microscope. So let's look at it under the microscope. Yeah, so as you can tell, it picked up a lot of dirt. There's, you know, it's pretty dirty stuff. But it's pretty clean over here. It doesn't have no soot, no carbon. You know, the filter media is just dirty. But yeah, it's clean. Otherwise, it's clean. A lot of filter media though. It's like 300 something square inches. Okay, so let's look at the rest of the filter. The gasket. The gasket looks good. Nothing wrong with this gasket. Bypass valve. You know, this bypass valve has a gasket. I didn't mention that earlier, but that fits right in there. It's got a little gasket. Nice spring on there. Coil spring. Nice heavy duty coil spring. This all looks good. Yeah, you gotta look at this up close because I didn't show you guys. Yeah, nothing wrong with this anti-drayback valve. Nitro rubber, but it's actually pretty flimsy. It's kind of good, not bad. Feels like it's silicone. The can is really thick, and if it drained, all the stuff drained out of there, the oil, and it looks pretty good. Looks good in there. And the louvers look good, really nice. You can see the slits, they're all nicely opened up. That's a good sign. So I don't know, I think this is a pretty good filter. What do you guys think? And I want to thank Clyde for sending me this oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.